lot of lions have been killed here in this area due to retaliation by farmers because of maybe different reasons. But obviously one is that when lions come out, not every community tolerates them, even hyenas. I mean, unless you have a very strong cultural significance or a cultural value towards certain species, you're most likely to have a very negative value to kind of staying with them. And then obviously the easiest thing is to kill, because it's easier. But there are farmers around the park who also have a way of trying to coexist with predators, trying to have measures which don't outright kill the predators, but find a balance between predators and their livestock. So one of the interesting findings which we looked at while we analyzed data from animals which were collared outside the park and along the edge of the park was that they like to move out and cross the fence during the dry season. Dry season as in when it's summers and winters, this part of the year. And we are trying to figure out why. What is the trigger? Why does predators do like that? Because obviously we would expect that when there is rain, they should be doing this, because prey should be dispersed and water should be in and around. So we thought that carnivores should actually go out of the park more often during the wet season. But what we have looked at and understood from the historic data from the last 20 years is that they kind of have a tendency to cross more in the dry season, when prey is also kind of clustered around the wet water holes in the park. So we are trying to understand why it could be. We don't know exactly now. Is it related to the livestock and the herding practices which are around the park during this time, or is it to do with vegetation or something else? But through this project we are trying to understand all those, that why predators move out, why livestock would behave in a way which would lure predators near the farms and then of course lead to human-wildlife conflicts. So we are trying to understand all those things right now.